All right, guys, we are going to be reacting to M3 Amphibious Rig building a 400-foot flowing river bridge. Thank you so much for support, guys. We're going to react to some of these great amphibious tanks and see how they work. I think this is a little festival they're doing. They're kind of showcasing them. We're going to just act on it and we're going to play it. Guys, make sure you guys subscribe. We're very close to 10,000 subscribers. If you guys can do that, I'm going to really, really appreciate it. Jump in here and see what's going on. See, there's a better quality here. There we go. Huge different from 720 to 1080 uh, resolutions. Mm. They can be on land and in water as well. So they basically work as transportation vehicles and also as bridges. Am I correct here? You basically have a little bit of both. I mean, these are not tanks. I'm sorry, these are not tanks. I don't think so. I'm probably thinking about the other one. Bridge tank. There we go. See, they works as bridges. They have to sort of like lock in. Wow, that's kind of impressive, right? This basically showcasing the machine or the vehicle, whatever, amphibious thingy. So everything's well calculated. Oh, look at that. They're basically giving opportunities for the public to have that experience. Wow. That's actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. They finished, so they're gonna take off. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Wow. Great experience, by the way. Wow. That looks amazing. This one's probably an old one, right? This one probably they use it for. Oh, what happened there? Oh, probably like a camera was on the floor. These are used like for practice purposes. Let me know in the comment section below. If they do, that's fine. I think that's fine. It makes sense, by the way. It makes way sense. Again, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna really appreciate that. We want to make sure that after the 10,000 we can reach 20,000 and so on and so forth. I know we can do it. And this is for the long run. I had to start reacting to more like German music artists. See, you know, just to see if I can get more broad and a niche. Even though I would like a lot of the military stuff, just want to make sure we can increase the amount of subscribers, and that way we can reach more people. Good stuff, man. Wow. For me, some of these vehicles can feel kind of intimidating. Could be, it can feel kind of intimidating. Big, rambunctious, high vibration. I feel it through the ground. Beautiful landscape, but like always, that's something that I have to say about Europe. Especially Germany, Austria. I mean, Europe overall, they have beautiful landscapes. That's pretty much for this. Beautiful. I love it. Love it. Yeah, I would love to just experience something like that. Unless just walking through that bridge will be amazing. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that. That is a unique experience. Let's put it like that. Unique experience. Beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I would love to hear you guys' opinions. Make sure you guys keep recommending these great videos in the comment section below. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you next one.